Hi, I'm Max Fleming, and this is my final project for DSF. This is my line tracker circuit. So here we have basically what would plug into the line tracker robot itself, which are like the inputs for the sensors, right? And then we have another two for that over here. Right, these two I'm squeezing. So then these inputs get simplified into like three, well, they're still inputs, but that the circuit uses. So they get simplified into left, center, and right. And then, So then this is the clock. In actuality, for like the real circuit, for like the real robot, we'd use a faster clock. But for just demonstrating, it looks better on camera if we have a slower clock. Now over here we have our outputs, which is left wheel forward. So, left wheel could brake or it could go forward, and if it's on, it means left wheel's going forward. Then this is a left wheel power boost, so that's gonna help us turn right, or like slightly turn right. And then this LED is a right wheel power boost, which is gonna help us turn left. Right, okay. So then this does this by, so here we have, we have this simplifies our inputs into these three usable inputs. And then over here we have our clock and a register. And then right here, this is a up-down counter, and this up-down counter enables us to for the turning state, there's only two states, so we can use an up-down counter and just use that instead of another register. And then here is some AND gates and OR gates and an inverter, just to simplify these outputs so they can be used with the key, the register. And then after all that information is put into these, and then these figure out what state the machine's currently in and what the operation it should do. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate this. So let's say that the right sensor gets activated in addition to the center sensor. Then we're going to have to, if the left sensor gets activated, we're going to have to turn right a little bit. So we're going to have to turn left so the right wheel power boost goes on. Alright, and then for the other one, the other power boost goes on. And once we're at the intersection, we're here. Right, so we see this wheel turns off, this one turns off, and then this one's turning, so this is going to help us do that sharp left turn. Right, and let's say we get out of it, and we come out at an angle, so then it's going to readjust this angle, so it's going to turn a little power boost on, right? So we have that, and once we readjust, it goes back to normal. So let's say we're going to enter the intersection at a little bit of an angle again, and then we have that, and it's just going to go straight. And since we entered it at an angle, we're probably going to leave it at an angle. So if we leave it at an angle, it's going to turn on, it's going to give us a little boost, and once we turn this back over, it's going to go back to straight. So yeah, that's pretty much my circuit for my line tracker. I hope you enjoy this, and have a good day.